How to turn on mentions and tags notifications on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on mentions and tags notifications on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile, and here in top corner you will find this three lines. In top corner click on it, and now click settings and privacy. Click scroll down and click push notifications, and here you will find it mentions and tags. Now all you need to do is just turn this on by one click and then go back. It will be saved, and as you see, that's how to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.